Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today I'll be learning how to draw crafty corn in Incredibox Sprunki style. So first let's get started with the horns. On the left hand side, we're going to arch this line up on the right. Starting back on the top now, from the side, we're going to curve this line up, bringing that back down on the right hand side. Now from here, we're going to draw in a curved line on the top, and then again as we come down on the bottom. Now for the hair, on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line out, back in. From that point, we're going to curve this line over and then in towards the top. Starting underneath, we're going to curve this line down and up on the left. And then again, as we move over, curving this line around and then back in on the top. For the eyebrows, we're going to draw in two curved lines on both sides. Now let's draw in the shape of the face. We're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same as we move over on the right, connecting that together. Now let's draw in the ears. So on the outside, we're going to arch this line in towards the top. And then from that point, we're going to curve this line around and then back down. We're going to replicate that shape as we come in now, so curving this line back in towards the middle. And then again from that point, arching this back down on the top. Let's move underneath for the nose now. So in the center, we're going to draw in an arch line, bringing that down. On both sides, we're going to draw in the nostrils, curving those over. Let's draw on the eyes now. So on the inside, on the right, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then we're going to do the same as we move over on the left. Now as you move over on the outside, starting underneath, we're going to continue to bring this circle all the way around and then in towards the top of our hair. Now in the center of our eye, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. We'll do the same as we move over on the right. Now for the mouth, underneath both eyes, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. We're going to connect this on the top with a curved line. And then moving down. And then moving down underneath, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. For the tongue, arching this across on the right. And then again, as we move over on the left. For the hair on the side, we're going to curve this line in. And then again, starting from that point, just bringing this back around and underneath towards the side. Now for the body, on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes down. We'll do the same on the right, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, let's close this off on the bottom with a straight line. For the pendant now in the middle, for the flower, we're going to draw in a circle. On the top, let's draw in a nice big arch line. We'll do the same on the right. And then again on the left. And then again, as you move down on a diagonal, we're going to replicate that on both sides. And then closing off the pendant on both sides, we're going to curve this line in towards the corner. And that is it. That's how you draw crafty corn in Incredibox Sprunki style. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.